An enclosed gas is originally at 27 degrees Celsius at a certain pressure. The gas volume then doubled as shown. In order to restore the pressure of its original value, to what value must the temperature now be adjusted at this new volume? So when mass of a gas is constant during any changes, PV over T should be constant. So P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 over T2. And it's very important, if we deal with just temperature, it must be in Kelvins only. If we need change in temperature, it may be in Celsius or Kelvin, it doesn't matter because it will be the same. So you should convert it into Kelvins, and it just plus 273, so the initial temperature is 300 Kelvins. And hence it becomes P1 V1 and temperature 300, and it becomes P2 V becomes 2 times larger, so 2 times V1 and divided by T2, and the new pressure should be P2 should be the same, so P2 should be equal to P1, so it just cancels, and V1 also cancels, and you can see that what T2 should be what 600 Kelvins. And when you just convert Kelvins into degrees Celsius, how to do that? Just minus 273, and you can see that it becomes this in Celsius, degrees Celsius. So it's D. D is correct, and that's all for this question.